Welcome to the ultimate guide to getting IPTV on your phone. Today, we'll explore how easy it is to start streaming with 2TV.store's top-notch service. First, let's talk about the best IPTV provider out there. Head over to 2TV.store and get ready for unparalleled viewing experience. Thanks to Nancy's exceptional support. After selecting your provider, download the recommended IPTV app from your app store. It's quick, easy, and ready to transform your phone into a viewing haven. Now that you have the app, enter the login details provided by Nancy from 2TV.store. It's that simple to start your streaming journey instantly. Explore the rich trove of channels and shows. With endless options, there's always something new to watch, whether on the bus, at home, or anywhere. And that's it. With a few easy steps, your phone now transforms into a pocket-sized entertainment powerhouse, ready to deliver the ultimate IPTV experience.